Namar ke Jyllei ki kam Sniew ki kam tu ke kam thiam Shnong Nongpoh. Kam tam e kamaraja ki di Sniew ki beladam akabade ke bajing saprong ki dukan. Nangkalang ka Shnong Nongpoh apa ka jalam jong urang ba Shnong oba Sylvester mensang mat kumjuru uskati Shnong samla Anthony Suchang kele punya kendu yo officer in charge jang Nongpoh police station mat Jingïarap nak Pulit. Haka bagi lapan rup man pahara haka por menmiet ba kumju ban pej yak jeng Jyllei plat ki kam Sniew haka ni ke Shnong ka belorak jeng seir ki pajma. Baka Shnong kala karpa ban weng no ya baru ki kali aksering belabu ke service line namar ka kata ya kali kawan jong ki pajma. Kini kedi ka bana kali jong orang Shnong leh tu ada ngeje kendu bat OC ba kumju nak ni OC ulai ke jeng pensai halo kini ngeje kendu jong ki.
Nah ini ke por ni nak kali yang dal Shnong Nongpoh propar ni wan hang ni ko Nongpoh police station bani kendu ya OC yang armara ha ka bangi la yo bani kren sepang lightly di kam di kam hang ni ko Nongpoh propar jongi di nangkong ni la yo bani kren ha ka be dei baki night patrolling ha ka bangi bu ya kini di nam apira por map namar kerja kerja satu ya kedudukan hari ini di laidong center gate upgate di bahasa zaman lah kepor hari ini di naik di beladet di nilai yo kajin kersan hari OC baun ai ka Jingïarap antaban patrolling antam berbeda berbeda surba nang ta kabar nilai yo ni keren ru berbeda kali di balapan sange la peniang hangkai la slemba dan kali yang yo siru ila ular ban ai ke Jingïarap bala ke nong yo punya keren batu SP atau ban mi sale itu benam bat ke balai ha ke de kene ke jing jaklia ke nyut ke nyer ke jing bread jung ni ki nong Shnong ke nong bukan di bade ni apa surok ya kini namar bagador bar Shnong kan sependu no ya kini di dustbin namar ba kalong ke bai si ban pej kam ke bade ha main road dan nomor kata ila buru ke jing penpej lang rangkat dari OC ke bade bagane ka jingkit ya kini nyut kinyar ke bade na yin ke kali Shnong kan sawan arsin sitayau hakane ke compound bandum ya kinyut kinyar ke bami na yin lisan ke bisong kuatar ni kini lightly di bang ya yo bade keren ila yo ha ke kini keren ke ya biang ha bade OC bala ai kloy ini ban ai ke Jyllei kam tam me bede ne ko dor Shnong Nongpoh propar please.
Good afternoon everyone. I'm thankful that Shnong have come to meet me here. Actually, regarding your concern about the crime on the road and in Nongpoh area, this is our concern as well. We are also concerned about this rise in crime. So, regarding this, we have taken some steps. Like we have started our foot patrollings at night, all night. There will be a party who will be patrolling the whole Nongpoh town till the DC office, all these areas, and we have night mobile patrollings on the highway as well as on the town areas. They will be on the move at night. Like our patrolling party, we have evening patrolling and whole night again other patrolling. Besides our police station patrolling, we have this traffic branch also. They will also go for night mobile patrolling. So these are the preventive measures that we are taking to prevent all the crimes that is happening in our area. Another thing I want to inform you that on the night of 10th, we have apprehended some of the highway robbers, and they are already in judicial custody. And then last night, again, we have another 3 highway robbers have been arrested. And now we are going to forward them to court. So these are the steps that we are taking to prevent crime in our area. Another thing that regarding the vehicles kept on the service lane, I have to discuss with my seniors, with DSP Traffic and SP Sir, and I'll let you know what steps we can take to make convenient for the general public. Then another last issue that we have discussed is that regarding the waste collection and all. I'll intimate all the staff quarters who are staying in the quarter that the arrangement that you have made for the disposal of waste, like twice a week, vehicle will come and to collect the waste, and there will be some minimal charges for the vehicles maintenance or what can you say, the maintenance and all the for the otherwise that's what I have to say. And then I wish another important thing I want to say, like whenever any problem is there, it's not necessary to know the contact number of that concerned OC or IC. We just have